The president suffered another setback yesterday. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals saying, whoa, putting a freeze essentially on those executive actions he tried to impose on immigration. That's a huge issue for the president, likely now to go to the Supreme Court. We could talk about Obamacare before the Supreme Court. Some of the climate change decisions were making their way through the courts. Same-sex marriage before the Supreme Court. How much of what we will say about this president in 5 or 10 years will be determined by the Supreme Court, not the Congress, or in some ways, not even the American people?
I mean, it shows what the gridlock in Congress has done. It has pretty much put the ball in the court of the Supreme Court. Wow, I don't know what happened there. But sorry, guys. But no, so I think, I mean, that's why you're hearing a lot of from these candidates about judicial activism. But it's not their fault.
They actually do have a court. They do have a court at the Supreme Court, you know, basketball court. Yes. They actually do. So you're right on top of that one.
I think the answer to the question is a lot, obviously. I mean, these are all legacy-defining moments, and if they all get to the Supreme Court and we get a final decision, a lot of his legacy is going to be bound up with those 9 people in the Black
And
robes.
Speaker Boehner celebrating this decision yesterday, saying the president himself said 22 times he did not have the authority to take the very action on immigration that he took. So the Republicans are celebrating this because they want to get in the court. But do they win in the long run if you look at the demographics of presidential elections? If this issue is still being debated and litigated in our politics when we get to October 2016, you can make a case that if you look at Florida even, Nevada, New Mexico, Colorado, Virginia, there are a lot of states out there where the Latino vote could be the key decisive vote, and in the last 2 cycles, overwhelmingly to the Democrats.
Depends on the tone. It really depends on how they talk about the issue. If they're talking about legality, that's going to be a better message for them than some of the other things, some of the more unfriendly language, let's say.
Sure, and a court agrees with us is not a terrible message to take into a campaign, but I think this might be the last time, the last cycle where the Republicans can thread that needle.